Okay, today I'm going to be making a 3D printed signal box base. I previously made one for the north box, which is on a hill, so the base is slightly sloping. I'm going to start off by importing the drawing that I made for that one and adjusting it so it's slightly bigger because the signal box is a larger signal box, and removing the angle. First off, I resize the base plate at the back, which is just going to be a simple flat plate this time, no wedge to it. Then next I'm going to modify the front where the planks rise up to allow the rodding and various cables to enter into the signal box. First off is I delete the first two bits that I don't need, then create a flat at the lowest point I'm going to build down to, extrude that out, and then remove the excess length that is on the legs that hold this up. Now then I just mirror them across to form the two on the other side. The next part of the job is to change the planking. So I'm going to split it in half for starters and remove the end which is too angled. I do this by creating a cube and then Boolean differencing it away. This leaves me with just the bit I need, which I can then mirror across, and that gives me the front decking boards. As you can see, the purple one is the original angled one, which goes much deeper at this end. I'm now going to move up the last bit of planking which goes around the side of the signal box and extend the landing block down to the full width of the signal box and then reduce it in thickness. At the side of the signal box there's a set of doors, so I rotate the image and then we create two steps that rise up just to take us into that doorway. And that's pretty much how it works. There's the new one in contrast to the old one. We export the drawing as an STL file and import it into Creality Print, which is the slicing software. Slice the model, and then this produces a series of super thin layers which will be built up one by one as demonstrated in this progression, and then I stick it onto an SD card and take it to the printer. that's the finished item. All it needs now is the support material to be removed, and then a little bit of paint and a little bit of weathering. Here we see it with the signal box, and next step is to fit it on the layout. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and ring the bell for notifications. Bye.